What's up? It's Record. We got a good one today. Not the music. Budget. Got a good one today, guys. Google Map Challenge. Let's take a look. Here I am, right there. There's me. And this is the pond I'm about to fish. Isn't that cute little pond? There's the pond that I was fishing before. This one right here. Long obulated one. That one's where I was catching the most bass, 5-pounder. But today, we're gonna do this one right here. And then after a little bit, we're gonna go down and do this one right here. That one right there. There's a challenge, catch some bass out of each one. I'm gonna go for 5, catch 5, and then move on. See if that's a good goal. So let's get catching. Time's wasting. It's 11 o'clock already. Wind's blowing. It's only 41 degrees today, so it might be a little tough. Little quick coffee drink, and then let's get going. What do you guys think of that? The GoPro on the head. You guys like it? Is it good? Oh yeah, I can't really see, but I got my crappie pin on my hat now. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but let's go fishing. I don't know if it was a bad idea coming out here. I'm gonna go to that bay. Way to go, guys. Walk backwards into the wind. It is cold, guys. It is cold. But we will catch a bass. Alright, I'm back. New pond. Still the same wind. Still the same coldness. Yep, they lockjaw today. They lockjaw. So, ponds are out of the idea today. A little windy for that, so I figured what's better than ponds? Rivers, right? Rivers, they have trees, they block the wind, they have fish. So guess what? We're going to the pond on the river. Or maybe just to the river, who knows, but I'm almost to the pond. So, in the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. A good one, hopefully. Hopefully I catch some biggins. Today's the day I catch some biggins. Still a little cold, 40-something degrees. But that doesn't stop me, nor the fish from eating and me catching. Although I wish I could be eating too, but it's catch and release. This is April 21st. Came here yesterday in the boat. Now I'm coming back here on foot, tracking down some bass, and gonna have a blast. So stick with it. So stick with it. Alright, we here. We're here. Back in action. Not using the Googan bait today. So, first cast. Down. Oh, I think that was a crappie. Damn. Damn, that was a fatty. Well, it tells you where they are. They're hugging the wood. There's one. Holy shit. Damn, poor guy. Even beat up. Alright. Whoa. Something got to him, you poor thing. Oh, I'm sorry. First one, guys. Let me get this good side. One. Alright. I knew one had to be there. Just had to. Just had to. Looked too good for a bass not to be there. Oh! Bunch! Wow! Why? Ooh, that's a giant. Holy shit. Come here, big guy. Come here. Let me just toss you up here like this. Never mind. There we go. These fish are warm. Beauty. Thank you, bud. Oh, I knew there was a fish there. I knew there was a fish there. 30 minutes into fishing, caught two, missed two. Not bad, not bad. Gonna go try the other side now. This one's probably all fished out. Action. That's where I was fishing. No, I'm fishing by the mouth. Could have been a better cast. Got him. Not giant, but nonetheless a bass. Come here. You're caught. Just accept it. Thank you, bud. Barely hooked-ish. Little guy. Nonetheless a bass. Thank you, bud. Thank you. Thank you for that. Yep, thank you. Luckily I'm in a calm bay. Jeez. Gotta get the camera wet. Oh, wow, not on the lens though. It's kinda cool. Alright, that was kinda cool. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. But that was cool. Let's get back to it. Alright, after that bass I just tied on a new bait. Well, I just retied my line. Pretty afraid. Now, let's catch another one. Go back over there. Good little tip. Check your bait, make sure it's weedless before you pitch into a tree. And make sure it's weedless. Otherwise you will be wishing you did. What you do, you just work it super slow. That's where I wanted it. Shit. That is not where I wanted to go. Nice. Persistence, guys. Persistence. Good flips. I so hope I'm recording. Yes, I am. Yes. Flipping. Little spots like that, it works. Nice little bass. Thank you, buddy. And he gone. That was cool. That was cool. Very cool. Make sure it's weedless again. And treeless. Weedless and treeless. Try that log right there. How cool was that? I love that. That was awesome. I knew there was one in there. I knew it. That spot's ruined. Cut more bass and get going. Edit some video. Wondering why I keep sitting kneeling. I just get a better hook set. That's why. Oh, damn it. As soon as you dropped it, I set the hook. I should have just set the hook right away. But nope, I thought it was stick. Thought that was a fish. Thought I was just going over the log, but nope, that was a fish. I gotta go this way now. Can't disturb them that much. Alright guys, I'm about to just go, cause I am mad. Alright. Let's try this again. Oh, that's a... You know, I don't know what to say. How am I gonna get that out without getting up? Impossible. You just keep moving. and disappointment and sadness. So let me just fish this a little bit. Oh. Got him. Come on, buddy. Ooh, bottom lip. Come on, buddy. Come on. Don't okay. There we go, guys. Another one. Damn, there's something big chowing down on these things. Thank you. Whoa, almost 110. Well, you know what that means. Time for a new one. After you get something like that, guys, make sure you always check the line. Alright, 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 alright. Come here, sinker. Come here, hook. And then come here, fish. Make sure when you're fishing this wood, I'll say it again and again, make sure your hook is covered. Otherwise you'll be regretting it real quick. Now that spot's all ruined, move up. It's right in here getting ready to spawn. What I love about rivers, they warm up so much faster. Well, at least the root does. It's a lot smaller. Not as wide, not as deep, so it has a lot more time to warm up. Another one? Nope. Oh, is that one? Nope. Ooh, son of a biscuit. He's in there, guys. Whether or not I can catch him, I don't know. But he is in there. Got him this time. Uh-oh, get out of there, get out of there. Come on. Ooh, that's a nice one. There he goes. Alright, now I'm gonna call her. Whether I catch him or not. Come here. There we go. Worked hard for this trucker. This Tonka truck. Not bad. Good way to end it. That was a fun day, guys. Battery's about to die. Might as well just call her. So. This is Record Hunter. I'm gonna do it away from the water just in case I do drop my new GoPro in. This is Record Hunter. I'm fishing here at my favorite pond. There's a potential chance of catching a really good fish. There's some really nice bass, some really nice northerns, perch, crappie, you name it. Small river, but it's underestimated, and I like that a lot. But I'm checking out. I want to say thank you for the new subscribers. Whoa, sorry, tipping over. Thank you for the new subscribers who subscribed to my channel. Just want to say thank you very much. does mean a lot. More videos to come. Thank you very much. I don't know where we'll be fishing, but if I see water, I'll tune you guys in. Thank you.